Do you know many people are having trouble with deleting unwanted apps on their phones? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Home Screen. Unlock and go to the home screen of your LG Velvet to begin. Step 2. Find your app. Search for the app you wish to delete by swiping through your screens. Step 3. Hold the icon. Press and hold the app's icon until you see a menu of options. Step 4. Select Uninstall. In the menu, tap on Uninstall to initiate the deletion process. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Confirm the deletion when prompted to successfully remove the app. With these steps, you should now be able to easily delete apps on your LG Velvet. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.